Hey friends, I wanted to pop in here real quickly and share with you the most incredible holiday promotions we have in the month of December for our Liquid BioCell Collagen. So up first is our holiday duo. And you get the spoon. So you get the Trim and Smooth in chocolate, and you get the Liquid BioCell Life. So morning, your tablespoon, and evening, you'll plug the Life in. This duo is a $25 savings, and of course, I added it right to cart. The other big promotion this month, well, there's two, is you can purchase, it's a BOGO, Liquid BioCell Collagen Immunity. So it's the same exact collagen, hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfite matrix. It is a mouthful that is found in Life. It's in all of our liquid collagens, including the Trim and Smooth. The difference between the Life and the Immunity is, just like it sounds like, Immunity has a boost for your immune system. So actually I think that's perfect for this time of year when it's the holidays and it's winter. So I added that to cart because it is a buy one, get one. So if you added both the holiday duo and the BOGO, which is the buy one, get one of your Liquid BioCell Collagen Immunity, you would have 2 months of your liquid collagen. Now there's one more really fantastic promotion this month for our Liquid BioCell Collagen, and that is our Trim and Smooth. So this retails at $105 if you're a preferred member. This month you can get it for $40 when your cart hits $175 or more. That's like an $83 savings. It's pretty incredible. So here's exactly what I did. I took the holiday duo, added it to cart. I took the Liquid BioCell Collagen Immunity BOGO, added it to cart. My cart was over $175, so I put the Trim and Smooth in there for $40. I'm set with my Liquid BioCell Collagen for the next 2.5 months. All right, guys, those are my star highlight promotions for December.